Hi, this is Garima Joshi. We are here for AI Power Summit. I have Mr.Sumeet Bhat with me. He's a director of engineering, Whirlpool Corporation. Sir, I want you to please introduce yourself.
Hi, thank you for inviting me here. And my name is Sumit Bhat, and like you said, working with Whirlpool Corporation, I take care of engineering design in Whirlpool. Basically, working around virtual product development in Whirlpool. So, and even Whirlpool is trying to get a lot of attention right now around AI, and this was very relevant summit for us. So this is something which we, from consumer lens standpoint, we are picking up fast now. So how do we use all the methodologies of AI tools, of AI data sets, machine learning, and all associated elements to help consumers to arrive at better solutions. So in this summit today, where I was a panelist, so it was very encouraging and very differentiated thoughts for a lot of variety of backgrounds of panelists and participants. So I was quite enriched with thoughts, what other people are thinking, what other industries are, so how they are solving the problems as such, and what are the limitations and so on. So I think it has been quite enriching. So one such what I would want to give for the next forum is like, let's give more, commercial lens also to what are the all possibilities further all across, so that we also see the value creation, what it can potentially bring from processes, from products, from productivity, and so on.
Thank you so much for the feedback. We will definitely make it the next time.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you.